welcome to my channel. Today I am solving the problems by using BODMAS rule. So first problem, 10 divide 5 into 4 minus 3 plus 5. So ikkada BODMAS, B means bracket, half, D means division, multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. So first here we using division. So 10 divide 5 into 4 minus 3 plus 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 5. So next multiplication, 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 plus 5. Next addition. So addition means 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 3 equals to 10. The answer is 10. So next problem, 55 divide 5 into bracket of 4 plus 5 minus 15. So first bracket లోనే solve చేయాలండి. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Here minus 15. 55 divide 5. So next division, 55 divide 5 into 9 minus 15. 5 ones are 5 11s are. So 11 into 9 minus 15. So 11 into 9 is 99. So ఇక్కడ multiplication యూజ్ చేయాలండి. ఫస్ట్ 99 minus 15. So the answer is 84. Next one, 21 divide 10 into 35 divide 7 into 2 into 2. So whole divide 98. So first we are using brackets. Bracket లో ఉన్నవన్నీ solve చేయాలండి. So first division, 21 divide 10 into next 35 divide 7 into 2 into 2. So 7 ones are 7 5s are. Next here 5 ones are 5 2s are. 21 divide 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to cancel. So ఇక్కడ divide 98. So next 21 2s are 42. Divide 98. Here 42 divide 98. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Here 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Next 7 3s are 7 7s are. So the answer is 3/7.